The U.S. Supreme Court will hear arguments on Federal Reserve Governor LisaCook suing President Trump for firing her. On January 21st, the court will hear arguments in the case that has no precedent. Fed Governor LisaCook was targeted by the Trump administration first in U.S. history for a central bank official. She took a hawkish stance on rates. Cook is the first black woman to serve as a Fed governor and was appointed during previous President Joe Biden's government. Now, the legal question under the Federal Reserve Act of 1913, Fed governors may be removed by a president only for cause, but the law doesn't define cause or set procedures for that. In early September, a lower court judge had ruled that the administration's claim of mortgage fraud allegations against Cook were likely not sufficient grounds for removal. On Wednesday, the Supreme Court formally set arguments for January 21st, 2026 on whether the Justice Department's request to lift the judge's block and allow immediate removal should stand. The Fed's independence is a pillar of U.S. economic policy. A precedent following a president unrestricted power to remove a governor would significantly shift the balance. The court's 6-3 conservative majority had already indicated a willingness to reconsider the long-standing precedents protecting independent agencies. If the court allows Cook's removal or signal board course criteria, it could ripple across many independent federal agencies, alerting how regulators and policymakers operate.